If you run an auto repair shop, every missed call is a missed opportunity. The good news is that AI can help you capture more bookings without hiring more front desk staff. Today, more repair shops are using AI-powered chat tools, call handling systems, and online schedulers to respond instantly when customers reach out. That means when someone needs brake work, diagnostics, or an oil change, they get a fast answer and a simple way to book. Instead of letting calls go to voicemail after hours, AI can qualify the lead, answer common questions, and schedule the appointment automatically. That alone can increase booked jobs and reduce lost leads. Shops that want to scale efficiently are using automation to stay responsive 24/7. This is especially powerful when paired with a strong marketing strategy from experts like America's Best Shops, who understand how to combine great promotion with great systems. AI is not replacing your team. It is helping your team capture more revenue from the demand you already have.